Oh, hell yeah. Hey, it's Messermeister at Gather Kitchen, and guess what? It's karaoke hour! Hey! Just joking, you definitely don't want to hear that. But today we are doing mango margaritas. It is hot, it's summer, and this is a great cocktail to make for a large crowd or just yourself. It's cold, it's refreshing, and who doesn't love a mango? 2 cups frozen mangoes. There we go. 1 cup Silver Tequila. We're gonna throw this all in a pitcher. 1/2 cup triple sec. This is my kind of cocktail. 1/4 cup agave. And a shitload of squeezed limes. Check out the Ojai folder. This is new. It's coming to you. It is the first everyday carry by Messermeister. You always need a knife. 1/2 cup lime juice. I'm going to be sitting here forever. We take all this to the blender. Salt the rim. Thank you, Nikki Sips, for showing us the proper way to do it. Maybe next time we'll have a little dipping cup. Look at that party, people. Yeehaw! Hey! A little wheel, tagine, why not? Margarita. No ice in this margarita. Hey, happy Friday. Enjoy mango margarita, and you dodged karaoke. You're lucky. Later.